Another thing too, do not put oil or Vaseline on the condoms. None of those silly methods will make things safe. Alright? Now, contraceptive means basically prevention of what? Pregnancy. Now, what does this look like to you? It's called a what? Diaphragm or a cap. So this is another contraceptive method which is inserted up inside of the woman's vagina. And you can read your worksheet for further information on this. Now another contraceptive method is what they call the spermicidal foam. So this is like a cream or gel that the females can use to prevent unwanted pregnancy. And another contraceptive method is called intrauterine device, IUD. Now, once again, you can look at your worksheet to get further information and detail about this contraceptive method. But this is a picture illustrating this device. Okay, so now we're going to look at another contraceptive method. And as I am saying to you now, that you must have heard persons mention the concept of them tie off. Now, what we mean by tie off is what we call a tubal ligation. Now, that is the fallopian tube, as you can see right here. They are tied off and cut apart. So you realize that even if there should be a release of an ova, it won't go anywhere. It will not come past this area right there because it's basically what? Tied off and cut apart. So that is another contraceptive method. Obviously, if the egg cannot get past here, then the egg cannot be what? Fertilized. Right? So that is another contraceptive method. Now, that one is for the female rather. Now for the male, look at the before. You realize everything is in place. But in this picture here, everything is not in place. So you realize that the male also is tied off, but it is called the vasectomy. So the vasectomy is for the what? Male contraceptive what? Method when the vas difference, you realize, when the vas difference is tied off and cut apart. Good? And so these are the two, well, not really natural, they're artificial contraceptive method where cutting off and tying off is concerned. So for the male it is vasectomy, and for the female it is tubal ligation. All right? Good. Quiz. What is the name for the narrow opening between the uterus and the vagina? Number 2. Which method of birth control prevents ovulation by using hormones? Number 3. In which part of the female reproductive system does fertilization occur? And number 4. Which method of family planning prevents ovulation by using hormones? And finally, where are sperm made? We have come to the end of another CDP Maths Lab Teaching and Learning Center Science and Audiovisual Tutor. We ask that on your worksheet that you please to complete the evaluation, write your suggestions on the lines provided, and please to submit it to the CDP Maths Lab Teaching and Learning Center supervisors or your teachers. This lesson was created by Monique Bernard.
the days of Elijah, declaring the word of the Lord. And these are the days of your servant Moses, righteousness being restored.